In this video, I'm gonna share a hotel room and amenities tour at one of the most upscale areas of Tokyo, which is Akasaka, dining at restaurants in Akasaka, shopping and eating lunch at the fashion district of Tokyo in Ginza, stopping by a park in Akasaka, and trying a recommended curry pan in Shimokitazawa. It's our second week in Japan, and right now, we are transferring to our next hotel. We rode 2 subways that cross us here in Harajuku Station. The 2 lines were not physically connected, so we had to get out of the first line to get to the second. Look! The station is a rustic-looking place with a cutesy vibe to it. We are headed to Akasaka, which is where our hotel is located at. This is our next lodging place. The name is EC Hotel. We booked it through agoda.com. Just upon entering, we noticed that the feel of this boutique hotel is already young and hip. At the lobby, you can play the pool for free. The receptionists were busy when we arrived, but they were so kind to still accommodate us. Waiting guests can have some self-serve refreshments such as fruit-infused water, tea, or coffee. It was very thoughtful of them as we were dead thirsty when we arrived. Snacks and bottled drinks are available for purchase. We just checked in. Let's take a quick room tour before it gets messy. They gave us this card that we can use to swipe on the door so it can unlock automatically. Then, the card is placed in this slot so the room will have power. Here, you can hang your jackets and pants. Here are slippers for indoor use. A vanity mirror is right by the door. Magnetic do not disturb and clean room signs can be placed outside the door. There's a mini fridge here too. Let's check that later. This control is for the air conditioner. Let's check out the bathroom. The tissues and controls for the Japanese toilet is in front of the seat. Now that's conveniently smart. Fresh hands and body towels are replaced every day. Close to the sink, there are disposable toiletries such as comb, cotton buds, floss, toothbrush, toothpaste, and razor. Although, we brought our own stuff and didn't use the ones they provided because, well, it's nice to save the environment from too much disposables. Here's the shower and bathtub area. Shampoo, conditioner, and lotion are available for consumption. Heading on to the rest of the room, we have these 2 twin beds. Each has a robe on top. The TV hangs on the other side. On the desk, there's a built-in socket, a room spray, an old-fashioned alarm clock, charging cables, tissue, remote, pen, notepad, and a room control tablet that can change the temperature of the aircon and various lights in the room. Under the desk, there's a water boiler and some tea bags and mugs. There's also a safe and an air filter. I'm checking if there are some freebies in the fridge, but oh well, there's none. It's understandable because Akasaka, where we are right now, is one of the most expensive areas in Tokyo. Hotel prices in Japan are crazy expensive. The room that we got is only 16 square meter, which is what fits in our budget. Once we place the luggage on the floor, there is no place for the feet to walk anymore. Let's open the window to check out the view. Interesting, right? If you only look from the outside on the street, there's no way to tell that there are indoor and rooftop gardens on those buildings. Between the beds, there are reading lights, USB charging, and power slots. Having washing machine everywhere is the most convenient and stress-free feeling. We are already 1 week in our Japan trip, so I had to go and do our laundry. Yep, they have a vending laundry as well in this hotel. You can even enter a passcode so that nobody can touch your clothes when it's done washing. Isn't Japan so genius? A little later that day, it was already nighttime, and we had an idea to check out the rooftop. The view was pretty nice. We then head out for dinner and found this Turkish bar close by. It's a fun atmosphere to have a belly dancer and a few customers who are so ready to party. They serve nice food too. The owner is a friendly Turkish guy. With that fact, there's no question on the authenticity of the food. Sorry, I forgot to take a photo of the food. I was too distracted by the visual events. The link to the location of this restaurant is in the description below, so you can check it out later. On the next day, we headed to Uniqlo at Ginza to shop for my jacket. At that time, it's the biggest branch of Uniqlo in the world. It's located at Ginza, which is a popular shopping district in Tokyo. I went for this one. It costs around 6,000 yen. Uniqlo Ginza is connected to another building by this walkway. You can see the street below. It was already lunchtime and we were starving, so we roamed around to find a restaurant. When we passed by this restaurant and saw that there were a lot of people inside, we immediately craved for Chinese food. The name of this restaurant is Shanghai Tangbao Xiaoguan. We ordered some noodles, sesame balls, and some dumplings. Everything was quite tasty. After eating, we headed back to our hotel in Akasaka. There was a park on the way, so we stopped by there for a while. It was springtime in Japan, and we couldn't help but notice this huge sakura tree. There's also a playground for everyone to enjoy. Traveling is so exhausting, especially for the feet. It's nice to have this park close by to breathe and appreciate a little bit of nature in a bustling city. There were a lot of pigeons and beautifully sprouted flowers around. When you look up, you can see the blue sky, flying pigeons, and pink cherry blossoms. It was very relaxing to look at. Later that night, we went to the outskirts of Tokyo to try a curry pan that Paolo from Tokyo recommended in his channel. It was super far. We spent around an hour and a half just to get there. The place's name is Temaya Curry in Shimokitazawa. Here's how the pan looks. We had two different pans, one with beef and one with chicken. Both were just sweet without any spice, like how we expect an Indian curry should taste. And the fillings weren't that much. But I don't know. We're all different. Maybe you guys prefer it that way. I still like Paolo's informative videos about Japan. Don't you like how the residents use bikes often? Go for nature! We went back to Akasaka and ended up eating here at this restaurant for dinner. The name is Taberna Yuki, and it is right in front of Isi Hotel. The owner works alone, so you can sense a homey vibe. He's the waiter, chef, and bartender all at the same time. We just shared a seafood pasta that had shrimps and scallops in it. And yes, it is delicious. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see the next videos of this trip, you can click the red button to subscribe. If you find this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you may leave a comment below. I will try to answer them there and maybe feature it in one of the upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Stay happy!